we went back and got a torch lighter. Do you have it? Does it work?
Yes, wait.
Oh, good stuff.
Shut up.
Made in China. Shout out to China, by the way.
Fuck. Mosquito.
Do you have a second one?
Of course.
Good lad. Let's see what we got here. What's this?
It's one turbo knall and one crackling.
One turbo knall, one crackling. Over here we got another piece. Special custom made.
It's a 2-inch shell and 2 cakes calls Mega Blasts.
Mega Blast. And out here we got how many?
7
7 fountains
of crackling with 441 grams.
That's gonna be awesome.
We
And,
start with that.
and we have a few more things. Over here we got the 4-inch mine. Let me get it from the right view. The blue one. This
I think that's the number 1.
that one is really rare.
The next one is blowout.
And over here we got blowout. How many shots is in this bastard? 66.
Yes,
22 millimeters.
And here is the biggest one. Space Inferno.
This is a 100 euro cake called Space Inferno. We will finish with this one. All right, let's go. D, light them up. Wow.
And now
Pretty crazy for us.
the 2-inch and the cakes.
Fire in the hole. What happened to the battery?
I don't know.
Don't put your head above it.
No, don't put my head. It's no problem, I'll fix it.
The fuse for now. If you would have heard that in real life, your ears would be ringing like mine, or
And now 2 more cakes, 1 tornado and 1 turbo canal.
I don't know.
The next one is 4-inch mine.
Over there we got a fire extinguisher just in case something goes wrong. This one is a bit dangerous, so I'm gonna
Nice. And now the next cake is blow out, and we go to Space Inferno.
Next cake on the list, blowout.
And we go to Space Inferno.
And Space Inferno at the same time. This motherfucker is crazy. Holy shit. Was that all of it? That was amazing. This is the in my back pocket. This is a Space Inferno, still smoking. Now D is putting out the cakes, making sure they're properly put out, using some carbon dioxide or whatever that is. You fucker. Yo, Piranha calling. What's up? And now D is gonna collect the trash. He's the garbage man. Ain't that right, D? We always I can't breathe. Too much smoke. We always try to clean up after ourselves when we do this kind of stuff. Damn, there's a lot of smoke here. I don't know if you can see it above the sea over here. I'm gonna try to focus my light. Hejsan Fredrik Olsson, vi mår bra. How's it going over there? There's a ton of smoke here.
Look out of sea.
Yeah, I can't really capture it on the camera, but when you stand here on the beach side and look out over the sea, it's all filled with smoke like there was a fog coming. But you know, it's just the PyroManiacs.
Okay, we have to.
Now we cleaned up. Now I'll get the fire extinguisher and put the sprint back in it. All right, there we go. Thanks for watching, guys. This video will be uploaded immediately afterwards. Great to hear you. Härligt att höra att du också mår bra, Fredrik Olsson. Vi ska packa ihop lite nu. Ha det gott så länge. Hej. Peace out from the PyroManiacs.
But you lost me now forever.